Do you want to maximize your online income without owning or promoting any products? Interested in a proven system that guarantees results? Introducing Blox, a comprehensive guide that showcases a unique and ethical approach to making profits effortlessly. Forget traditional methods. With Blox, you can make significant revenue in just 20 minutes, regardless of your marketing experience. Testimonials from people like Mike McKay and Renee Smith show the true success of this system. Imagine making a lot of money online with ease, just like Robert Shear. Blox doesn't just promise results, it delivers them, backed by publicly verified results and an additional Blox free instruction system for added value. Get ready to exceed your expectations. Advantages: 1. You don't need a website. 2. Step-by-step video instructions. 3. Easy to implement. You can use Blox in any niche. It is a sophisticated system. Once it is set up with your own code, you can enjoy daily income. Everything's set up and ready. No need to write emails, no flip pages. Everything is completely set up with a code. Sounds crazy, but it's so easy. With the step-by-step video instructions, it's child's play. Want free access to Blox? If you would like me to send you these free instructions, follow these steps. Number 1, like this video. And number 2, write the word 100% free in the comments. If you like this video and leave a comment, I will send you access for free. It can be that easy.